Understanding It Stinks in Here, a guide to expressive English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common but expressive phrase, "It stinks in here." This phrase is not just about smells. It's a window into how English speakers express discomfort or displeasure about their environment. Stick around to find out how to use it correctly and what it really conveys. The phrase, "It stinks in here," is straightforward yet packed with meaning. At its core, it's used to express that the air in a particular place is unpleasant or bad. The word, stinks, is a verb that indicates a strong, unpleasant smell, while in here specifies the location. Together, they convey a clear message about the environment. This phrase can be used in various contexts, but it's important to know when and how to use it appropriately. Casual and informal settings. In casual conversations among friends or family, saying, "It stinks in here," can be a straightforward way to express your immediate reaction to an unpleasant smell. It's informal and should be used in environments where casual speech is acceptable. Professional and formal environments. In more formal settings or when you're around people you're not close with, you might choose more polite phrases like, "It seems a bit musty in here," or, "Does anyone else notice an odd smell?" This way, you can express your concern without being too direct or potentially offending someone. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. In some cultures, being direct about negative smells can be considered rude. It's always good to gauge the situation and perhaps opt for more indirect ways of addressing the issue. Additionally, English speakers from different regions might use variations of the phrase. For example, "It reeks in here," or "This place smells." Each variation carries a similar meaning but may vary in intensity or formality. Today, we've uncovered the layers behind the phrase, "It stinks in here." It's more than just a comment on the air quality. It's a tool for expressing discomfort in a way that's immediate and often quite personal. Remember, the key to effective communication in English, or any language, is not just about the words you choose but understanding when and how to use them appropriately. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate the nuances of expressing displeasure or discomfort in English environments. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.